Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Kim with Creative Crafticality, and today I will be journaling in the book of Psalms chapter 91 verses 1 and 2, where it says, "Whoever dwells in the shelter of the Most High will rest in the shadow of the Almighty. I will say of the Lord, He is my refuge and my fortress, my God in whom I trust." And that is just a beautiful prayer for us as Christians to just thank God for His protection. And so this is just something that, if you believe in Him, you should put your trust in Him, and He will always, He promises to always protect us in whatever situation we are in. So for this entry, I have lots of space here, and I wanted to try a technique I have this stamping acrylic block, and I'm going to use some of my Tombow markers, these colors here, and I'm going to put some ink from the marker onto the block, and then I'm going to squish it. It's kind of like using a piece of acetate. I've done that before, but I'll put my ink on here. I'll give it a little spritz with this is just one of those basic hairspray bottles, but I have some water in it. And then I will take it and add color onto here and just do like an abstract little, coloring. And then I'm going to go in, I think I'm going to use some sticker letters for my stash and pull out part of the verse over here. So why don't we get this stuff cleared off and we will get started. Guys, so here's my final journal entry. I think it turned out so beautiful, and this technique is just an easy technique to do, and it just looks great every time. And if you could tell, I had switched my words here, so I was still able to pull them up without damaging the letters and switching them, so that was fine. And I just think this looks like dying Easter egg, so it's a great entry for this week as Easter comes upon us, and I hope you have a happy Easter. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up, leave me a comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you again next time. This is Kim with Creative Crafticality. Bye. God bless.